I'm about to show y'all how to go from this right here to this right here. You see the difference. You see what he was working with in the beginning, but I'm going to show you my step-by-step process. YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back showing you how to use enhancements properly. Now, I know the first thing you're going to say, hold up, before you say it, man, he should just go ahead and cut it off. Everybody ain't ready for that type of time. You feel what I'm saying? Like, everybody ain't ready to just jump off the porch like that, like me, like you go bald like me. But anyway, the first thing you want to do is create your guideline after. First thing you want to do is create your lineup after you cut the hair. So this is an imaginary line in some places, but the main thing I did was try to work with the thickest part of the hair in the front. So I used that as my guide. Now I'm not absolutely worried about having a sharp line going across, but I need something to be able to see. Now the thing that I use is SureThick hair fiber. The reason why I like this hair fiber is because it builds to the hair exactly how it looks. And then also it comes with a kit. It gives you a pump, it gives you holding spray, it gives you a card to use to apply the hair fibers, this card right here. Now, you want to place the card exactly where you made the line on the edge of, right? And right above it, you want to spray the hair fiber off of the card onto the scalp of the hair, right? And we want to gently press the pump until it fills up in a way that it matches the hair that's in bulk, right? You see I'm fine tuning right here, and I'm using my hairspray atomizer because that's what I'm used to, but you can use the pump that comes with it, right? Once after you get the hair fiber to match the hair of the client, then you want to go in detail, and you want to start to get that line up crispy and sharp and clean and smooth, just like I have it here. You see the difference already, right? Like the haircut is coming together. This is the way that you get $40 for a haircut, $50 for a haircut, $75 for a haircut, because these are the type of things that set you apart. This goes from being a garage haircut to a professional haircut, right? To a professional barber haircut, right? And all you need is the right tools in order to make it happen. So after we do one side, we do the other side. We take that same card that SureThick has. We use the fiber that SureThick has. And then we match up the hair. You see how I match that perfectly? It's coming along. I have a few spots to cover, but it's once you do it enough, it becomes repetitious to you and you get better at it. The key thing is not to press too much at one time, so using a pump is necessary, a great pump, and mastering the flow of the pump. And also making sure you have the right hair fiber to match the hair of the client. You have black, you have brown, you have black, brown, brown, black, all of these different combinations. This is a black. So look, this is the haircut. This is how it look afterward. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it.